Welcome to Evie's YouTube blog. This is a Play-Doh and a Shopkins. Over to you, Evie. Show us what you're made of, kid.
This one, it's going to open it, and I've got a chocolate bar.
Show the camera. Chocolate bar. Tidy that up for you. Is it like presents?
I've got this purple one.
Ooh, what could be in there? It's not Christmas, isn't it? It's just like Christmas, isn't it, Evie?
I got a painted Elsa.
A painted Elsa? Who painted that?
I did.
Was that all done by Evie?
And Daddy, you're going to have to fix this.
Was that a surprise?
And in this pink one,
Play-Doh one.
I've got a Shopkin.
What sort of Shopkins is that?
I don't really know the names of all of them, but I've got one and I do know it.
Is that Bertie?
I think this might be a cake, but I don't really know that yet. This one. Cheese is funny one, and I've got it.
Another surprise?
I've got... Can you get it? I just got some control, but my daddy should have get it for me.
What's this one called?
I don't know what it could, because I only know one name of them yet. And in this one, I've got a little cake. I'm going to eat my chocolate bar now. I've got...
Bit of blue Play-Doh.
I know this name. This is garlic rose.
Garlic rose. But like Nanny.
Not that. And I've got...
Brown Play-Doh. I wonder how these all got in the Play-Doh. I wonder how.
Here's some wheel what I got. And in this pink one, I've got this little cake. And I've got another Shopkin, but I don't know this name either. I only know garlic rose. That's what I know. This is edition one.
Edition?
Because it's a sparkly one.
Sparkles. What's that one's name? Does it say?
It don't say their names, but I think on Garlic Rose it does say where they come from. This one they go to China.
That's how it's made.
And this one, I've got some ice cream.
Oh, last one. Left the green one till the last.
This one is, I can't really, it's
What's this one's called? Mandy. Moggy.
Well,
Margaret.
it says on here, it says,
Margarine. That's margarine. Last one, green one.
One series 1, one series 2. What series? I don't know what series they are. I'll ask the Zell. It might not be on there.
This one is the baby oil, but this one at the end is baby white, and she is a fuzzy. She's a fuzzy one. Have a look. It is. You might not be able,
green?
You might not be able to see very much, but it's got baby white. This is my whole list. Look from the bottom. You can look from the You can look from the bottom. You can look from the bottom. You can look from the bottom. You can look from the bottom of it, and you can up all the way up, and all the way up to here. And the last one I want on that one. And on this one I've got the one that I really wanted is these are the ones that go in the fridge, and I've already got the fridge. The one I was hoping for in the fridge, I was hoping for the ice cream and the little ice cube and the green ice cube. And on here, the one, I've got that one. I'll just have a look. I've got that one. And if I keep...
I don't know why margarine's not on here.
You get some... I've got the cheese as well.
It tells you what their name is on there. What does it say their name is?
And some of them are ultra rare.
Which one have you got?
I've got the cheese and this addition one.
Is it the cheese one not called Mrs. Cheese?
No, and this one is, let me have a look. This one is down here.
Keep jumping on the floor. Have I got to get that one?
Yes.
Okay.
And this Elsa, I
just drop it.
painted this, and I wanted to show you it. And this Shopkins, if I have a look on this list, it's on this list. The one I was really hoping for is that one, because that's the one what I really like. If I keep looking for this one, no, I can't find them. You do get the golden cheese and a little golden thing, and I put these over here. You can see I've got another list, and we can have a look on this list. In this list, we've also got some on the back. Quickly look at this one. Look on the back. I have got that one, but in a different colour. And yeah, this one is on. Which one is it on? Let me quickly have another look. Here. So yes. See? Might not be able to see very well, but I've got that one. And And on this one I can, and also on this one, no, and on this one, this one has got 15. Let's have a look at this one. I'm just going to face it close. And I haven't got, one I want to show you, but I haven't got it, is Molly Mops. Need all of them? All of them. Now I've got one more to open. Oh yeah! And I've got this one. I've got every single one. This is the awesome little food! Yay! Now for the slime! Dad, I've done it all.
Okay, push stop.
Well.